In Ghana, a large share of electronic and electrical waste is processed in the informal market. In the informal sector, thousands of young men depend on dismantling, repairing, and recycling discarded electronics for their survival. The problem is actually not recycling per se, it is the unsafe conditions. Workers often dismantle hazardous components without protective gears or equipment. Cables are burned to recover valuable urban resources such as copper, which releases toxic flames. People are exposed to these heavy contamination, mineral contaminations, such as lead, mercury, cadmium, and others, affecting their sustainable livelihoods, health, and then contaminating the soil and water resources within the surrounding geographical area. There is also limited social protection. Informal workers typically have no health insurance, no contracts agreement for employment, and also no legal recognitions, even though they play a very critical and vital role in resource recovery within the urban mining space. Aguleshi in Accra has become one of the most well-known informal e-waste processing sites in the world. It is a major hub where discarded electricals are collected, dismantled, repaired, and traded. Many workers are migrants, especially from the northern sector of the country, and also other neighboring countries such as Burkina Faso, Mali, Benin, Niger, Togo, as well as Nigeria. For them, this work is often the only available livelihood. Some devices are repaired and resold into the market, making technology more affordable for local consumption. But many items are already broken on arrival and quickly become waste. The environmental pressures are real. Burning, manual dismantling, and improper disposal have contaminated nearby land and water resources. Yet, despite these challenges, Aguleshi is also a space of scale, resilience, and economic survival. When someone in Germany, for instance, upgrades their electronic gadgets, such as mobile phone, they really imagine where it ends up, but the connection is real and direct. A significant amount of used electronics and electrical components arriving in Ghana originates from Europe. Mainly, many ships are declared as second-hand goods. Some are reusable, but a considerable share is near the end of life cycle of these products. Exporting them can be cheaper than recycling under strict EU regulations. This means that consumption patterns in Germany, frequent upgrades, short product lifespan, and gaps in export regulation enforcement directly shape environmental and social realities in Ghana. If we are serious about a fair circular economy, responsibility must be extended beyond Europe's borders. Reducing waste, improving product design, enforcing export controls, and supporting safer recycling systems in Ghana are all part of that responsibility. Electronic and electrical waste is not only an environmental issue, it is a matter of global justice and shared accountability.